Yes.
I've heard Ura Baumia campaign in Ashanti region. I've heard him speak to several issues. Now, enka weka ebra John Dramani mama free so no. Na all born twan. Oba sentiment was accounting to the people. No oba born to actually niema obeye. Sorry, why ye? All straight to me no watch say my way. KJT ni suo no. Ratri Park ne ho no. Kumase Airport and a mayor no. You understand? This is a niema akwan oye not what account to the people. No enra. Meti radio ho amitie na nwumre me kwotena TV ho mfa me re ho.
Aden.
Se owura ba omia na ba sentimental makomi mi krom. Akogina ho aka se obemo omo tomato factory.
Krom Akoma dan.
Yes.
Now they say
well, His Excellency Odike Eko. Was it Odike to support Akufo-Addo's one district, one factory with 4 factories? Now, over this, Ghana web reporter, Omo peki free GNA. Obakaya, a bra ura Akufo-Addo adwaso. And promises say, obey tomato factory, ama Akoma dan. Satana me misakakra. But woko a year, this story is dated Friday 25th October 2022. Was it Akoma tomato factory starts production next year? Apreku. Sasa me waka no kinkas ufri Kumase kwa ufri kinkas no akwa Akoma dan. The ufri Akoma dan no akwa mimi kroma anka say free Francho. Ehon na Kofi Kurado apreku ebeka sasa we story ni this is a Ghana web story. GNA story and a Ghana web e capture. So the point we are making is this. Say, who kwa Akoma dan before I be Akoma dan kromon you krabi ye fa ho ne your do tomatoes we fro ye bo apatam. Ne Johnson on your left. Na mode signpost ko see say site for splendid Akoma dan tomato factory. Owu Akufo-Addo eji tumi wasa akodada Akoma danfo eni nkinka so ne important so obesi factory amai. This is Baumia, Pualugu Tomato Factory. Baumia Jisika. Billions of dollars. Sikan Womadi. And they have not been able to account for such kind of.
Focus about Baumia Jisika. Baumia, is he the one working on the project?
Baumia went and promised the people.
So,
say, yeah, baby, but as of today,
meaning that
they have not been able to tell baby millions of dollars no mchayano. Sir John said
that is fine. That is fine. But okay say Baumia Jisika.
Wait, Sir John scan away.
No. Me say Baumia Jisika as in
Baumia ko promise ye. Na say kura no sabi otwantro. E ka say o mawie dam no. E na mo nsem trofo ya sakofa by say Polugu dam kura ye nye. And the point I'm making say onu ani kromfo wakoda da nanya wale onu ni krom no ka say obey your friends industry ho obey watermelon factory ho e go see say it sentiment mu a Sir John campaign I intensify because one, if you look at America what has happened now, if you follow more elections now, there are friends enkrofo a almost support Trump the Democrats are almost Obama Trump. And the same thing is happening in Ashanti region. Say don't many MP before we breeding komo. I've told you time without number say me usia me konongo baby I say me moati na ye din komo a so be when this in ho na bia me youth organizer pen come ho baby I be say me tibia MP before na meti. You understand? But the song they are singing they say Owu Akufo-Addo adu ohwemo. And therefore, Baumia, because of say, what the Hamo was economy, one day on economics, what call Siapon, what okra PhD in economics, into economy by any year. No. Sentimental Baumia Bano, the question we need to ask ourselves in say, not dollar no, His Excellency no account, say friends, Canada Japon, so say Baumia Manaboka. Because we mismanaging the economy, I'm a city now. We see the $1 back one city near 4 cities 20 pesos and we dollar back one This onye cedi no mako 17 cedis any a chire. So what is Baumia telling us? And now who's a friends Kamala Harris? Because of saying Oma running down the economy. On month for 2 months, friends Trump over 50%. One vote no demand no. It was based upon the economy. They voted for him based upon the economy because they feel say and now Biden Harris ebony chidom no. One must say economy no. And no, the same things repeating itself in Ghana. Say Baumia because of so no economic Wexit na ne yiri didi jo mama time say ni kunu dia onim sikasam kuntabuo ni ne nhyehyeye and therefore the economy ni ma Baumia obetuma eni ene Baumia ba sentimental ha no me nuanom amutie me nananom sentimental ha adwa ne edie to what extent ena Baumia ka economy ho asem eniema ben no so obeye with a view to salvaging the already sank economy and now Ghana economy aye baller no I atwema mponua ha baabi okwa so galamsey no wo ba be ni ye se John se wo se me boa mamon se ntrofo enko galamsey site bia mining site bia say the MPP have sent their people there opa ko amanse baabi wo de me bodin. They have sent their people that ne omu galamsey. Once a more media
they have sent
me say go there, me say go to the galamsey site and see if people are not working. Go to the galamsey site. I'm telling you, sir, me mobile bidding. Oko opa mumfa mu cameras enko baabi nanya ai mo amunua ai your friends papa yokore ko bro forest de hu nsem bai ai multimedia ni konongu ni nkro de sempo ai Erastus. Enyo na asia se be forest bia o mu tumu akoya sebe nkom kwa akobo no. So the point I'm making is that NDC when we are bringing on board Asiedu Nkatiama Baha and they say regional chairman or Obakonongo obeshia stakeholders owura Asiedu Nkatia was sentimental ha John Dramani mama encha won so Baha mejide ese bia na otwi ya wi e no waba kumase ya. The song we are singing is say
and that just we na bekum
galamsey na wo matu na obakokonongo airpine tontom no John Dramani mama say and somehow by ya obeka na last election na mwanti and he's repeating same say ye be regularize sabi e former gudi atuo no e maba ne memo a sabi mowo opepase mbetu ska akọ no ye mfa ma Chinese for said I shall one by ya ye china minim twaka ewo osafo ma afo no ma me ntem o se na China ni no ye ni tuma e de ni ebenya na sabi ko no wofo amochi o ma na mo na last ya metututuo wo galam so fo ametututuo ko no wo ahimfie ama alige MPP ni ba ko nyame fa ne kransi ye ne na ho no ya no di wuye alige e wo ko no asema mike ko no ni bia wo tim bia ya we mo ko petrensa Tele Center Hotel kotutu atuo wajo mama ede ba ne se enti Asiedu Nkatia asema o kan se Baumia ba ye no wo matu sika ko ya kotu ebi wo yen yayim ye friends ye forest mu ko bro forest tano ni mri forest ama ma sei odumankuma ajapade odiman yen mo ba ye friends legislative instrument ma mutumi tu sika ko se wonye party chairman and as a regional women organizer bi and as a party NDC bi and as a ministers any idea and you cannot mine in the forest and the idea Asiedu Nkatia ne jo mama mo na mo kan say ye ba regularize na Ghana ni ba bia ye say wo NDC ni na ye benda bi because MPP ni didi a me say me mabusuafo na dodo na ye MPP fo it is almost didi a say me ho atome and om didi ombema mbia di enti ye be make sure say ye be mamo ye be register mo ye be make sure say ba bi etufo magudie bia no ye de ye friends minerals commission ye de bi be ba ho regional offices ni ye be decentralizing license ni ye de be ma ye friends mo ambetufo magu ye be decentralizing na nko ba say jiso okotua bribe e won kran na no kura no watua bribe no say ye den na ye maw akwanya wo de be mine and that is what has precipitated the ground for say amanfo be illegal mine ye be ma ease ye be I mean ye be very easy for everybody to register then wo hwa e bra ye wo so no na ye ma kuafo I mean seedless and this year unim say wɔn bɛ nɛɛse cocoa seedlings no because of say sika ni hɔ no ɔma running down cocoa board nti na nse ya na ɔma start numbers a ɛsɛ sɛ number of seedlings ɛsɛ ɔmo edua nyinaa no wɔma tete so because of say sika ni hɔ what we are going to do ɛnɛ unim sɛ ayikura ɛmu ɔmo bi o fertilizer ne ade okɔ akoma dan a na no your friends maami bi a minim ni pa wadua tomankese because of say kane na misua no okɔ mekroma franco e ba bi afro dam kwanta okɔ akoma dan ne o dam ho a ne etumi nya nsuo edidua tosode throughout the season ye ni say opebra ba ne ye petra say nyo minim so onim petra de a ye petra ene ade enne wo tomatoes a ye di a dodo na free Burkina ene Morocco tomato ade di ye poto no apoto nsu you understand so what we are going to do ni say John Dramani Mahama say ebra wa ban no sentimental ma ye de ekuayo uba kuma so nom ne nkura kese no ma edwadie ba ko ye nkuro nkito no ma ekuayo ye be makuayo ay attractive ye be ma more farmers no friends more for me cooperatives ye be ma musika se de be ya mu betumi de aye den awura mukuayo mu na nkoba se de na his excellency owura odikeka no awodo aye kra free amano ne ba any other enema e betuma produce no ano eno ne be but baumi akonyina no onka sansem we bi and that is why John Dramani Mahama is the best alternative for us to salvage the sinking
thank
economy.
You very much for Maminka